Dan Deming of KKM Financial starts our day with the Trader Rundown, and we love having Dan on because you always give us a great peek into the week, so thanks for being here, Dan.
Thanks for having me.
Big week for earnings.
Big week.
Right. Thursday is insane. We're going to have Amazon, Google, and Microsoft all reporting in, so what can investors and traders expect?
Yeah, I think, this is going to be a telling week for the market, particularly when you look at where the position of the market. We're pushing up against those December highs from 2015. We had a nice week last week after a little bit of a sluggish start that we call inter-week. We saw a nice rally, and then the market was able to kind of maintain those levels throughout the week. So moving into this week, I think, like you said, earnings. We got some other interesting things going on this week. One I want to point out from the CBOE standpoint is the fact that the VIX is being disseminated overnight now. So if you want to track the volatility index, you can track it overnight from 2 a.m. to 8:15 a.m. and then from the normal trading hours from 8:30 a.m. till 3 p.m.
And get your VIX fixed. Let's talk about what's going on with the banks. What are traders saying? Citigroup came out with better than expected earnings. Are traders impressed with these bank earnings, the financials?
I think that, the fact that they were beaten down so badly earlier in the year, particularly when the interest rate landscape shifted, that, overall the reaction last week was pretty positive. And you look at the XLF, the ETF that has a lot of those large names in it, pushing its 200-day moving average. So you're seeing a nice bounce back in that sector. So it's hitting some resistance here. We'll have to see if we can get through there. We do have some more banks this week as well that might propel it through there, but we are hitting a little resistance. But overall, that sector was really due for a bounce back here because it was beaten down much earlier in the year.
What about the market action this week?
The market action, I think we're looking at a couple of areas here. Like I said, that December high, right around here, around this 2075, 2080 level in the SPX. It's a critical level. It's a heavy resistance area. We've seen the market been able to digest some of that the later part of last week. So I think that, if we can get through there, certainly that would provide a catalyst possibly to push us right back to those highs that we saw in the middle of 2015.
Thank you, Dan, and have a good trading week.
Thanks, Angie. Thanks for having me on.